At one point in history, we were known as the All-American City. People were proud to call Hazelton home. And then there was a time that was lapsed, where things started to deteriorate and people started moving away. Right now, it's on the change.
We had looked at a variety of different buildings in the Northeast. Hazelton specifically was an old coal mining town, but its proximity to New York and the Northeast is perfect.
For us to come to Hazelton and take a plant that was closed and reopen it, and then to take a plant that did have 200+ employees and bring that employment back to this town, felt great to us.
At the plant, there's one very neat image that you can get. Beyond us in the distance, there's a mountain of processed coal, which speaks to the history of this northeastern Pennsylvania area. Then you've got the NEXII building in the middle. We're here taking over a almost 100-year-old building and turning it into a green manufacturing location. Instead of using those non-renewable resources, we're building out of sustainable products, jobs, opportunity, and everything for this community.
The growth has been tremendous. So this time last year, we had 4 employees. Today, we're up to 110 employees. The Hazelton workers' character is loyalty. They want to make a difference in the environment.
They are extremely hardworking, very family-oriented, very committed to their work.
We already have people saying, NEXII's a cool place. You want to work at the Hazelton plant, and coming back and telling their friends and the other people that they know. And we've seen that portrayed through all of our employees as they've gotten started the work.
The NEXII plant means progress. When people think of Hazelton, they're going to think green buildings, green materials, innovation.
We're going to change the world one building at a time. We have great minds working together to be able to change the way buildings are constructed, built, and to be more energy efficient.